Now, as agricultural infrastructure is the foundation of modern farming, it encompasses a wide range of physical and organizational components that are essential for the cultivation and distribution of food. So, this integral network, which includes your farms, your roads, irrigation systems, and storage silos, plays a crucial role in sustaining the food supply chain. So there are several challenges facing the agricultural sector globally, which can impact food security, your livelihoods, and the environmental sustainability. And some of the challenges that we face today are one, climate change, which is reshaping our world. It's bringing about extreme weather events such as droughts, floods, and heat waves, which can have a significant impact on crop yields, livestock production, overall agricultural productivity. So concrete is critical to modern livestock farming, offering a blend of hygiene and durability that's hard to match. In environments where cleanliness is key and heavy loads are the norm, the right type of concrete can make all the difference. And just a few slides later, I'm going to walk you through a real world example of a dairy farm choosing a durable, erosion resistant solution.